Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I'm showcasing the PolySync 40. Now this is quite the conference speaker. You can actually put two of these together via Bluetooth and then still connect it to a smartphone, a tablet, your desktop. It uses Bluetooth. So here are the touchable buttons up here. Now those will work when this is turned on. So you have the on button right here. We'll turn it on. And then it also acts as a battery.
High.
So you can plug in your USB-A cord right here to charge phone or tablet.
Is connected.
And then this is the link button to set up a different PolySync 40. All right, here's the quick outline of the setup procedure. It's very easy and simple. You can pause this and take a look anytime. And here's some more information about the quick setup and what the buttons do. Okay, now we're going to pair it with this phone via Bluetooth. So now we're going to look for it. Just a moment.
Battery high.
There we go, battery high, and you can see the lights will tell you.
No phone is connected.
We're waiting to pair with the phone. So as soon as it pairs. Okay, so now it's in the pairing phase. So here it is in the menu, PolySync 40. And then it will tell us when it's paired.
Pairing successful.
There it is.
Phone 1 connected.
There we go. So now that it's paired with the iPhone. Pretty simple process. You just hold this button down for a couple seconds. You can increase the volume, and it shows you visually where the volume level is. You can bring it back down. You can also cut the mic if you need to while you're on the call. So you can put two of these together, like I said, through a wireless connection. You can have one at the end of the table and one at the very other end of the table. So pretty easy. Then you have your call right here. So you can call and end the call right there. And then on this side, it has a lock. So you can lock it to the table if you need to. And then on the bottom, you have the charging cable right here. So this is USB-C. And then if you detach that, you can charge via USB-A. So they give you an adapter right there. I like that it's small and compact, and it also fits into the side. So it's a pretty long cord. Very simple to set up and use. So there's the speaker. You can use it as a normal music speaker if you want as well. It's pretty large though. Might kick out a lot of tunes if you want. Great for work from home if you need a top quality conference speaker. Poly is definitely the company to go with, and I really like the 40 because of the size. It's not too big, but the amount of volume you get, it's excellent. So you compare it with your iPhone, your Android, your tablet, if you have an iPad, or with your Microsoft Windows PC. Works with all these different devices, and I like using it with the phone. It's pretty simple. And you can pair multiple devices to it. This is the PolySync 40, and it is a conference speaker. It's also a backup battery and just a normal speaker if you want to listen to some tunes as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.